What if I told you that in 2025, I could be your personal money-making assistant, helping you rake in $1,000 a month or more? Whether you're new to side hustles or a seasoned hustler looking for fresh ideas, this video is for you. I'll show you 5 AI-powered side hustles that are easy to start, scalable, and don't require you to be a tech genius. Stick around because hustle number 5 is so ridiculously simple and effective, you'll wonder why you haven't started already. All right, let's jump in. AI has completely transformed how we work and make money, and 2025 is the year to capitalize on it. The beauty of these side hustles is that AI does the heavy lifting, leaving you to focus on strategy and scaling. 1. AI-generated content creation. First up is AI-generated content creation, and let me tell you, this one is a game changer. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva are making it easier than ever to create high-quality content in minutes. Whether it's blog posts, YouTube scripts, or Instagram captions, you can now produce professional-grade content without being a writer or designer. Here's how you can make money. Offer your services as a freelance content creator on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even directly to small businesses. For example, I tested this by offering blog writing services. I used ChatGPT to generate a 1,000-word blog post on 10 budget-friendly travel destinations. It took me about 15 minutes to tweak and polish, and I sold it for $75. If you write 5 blogs a week at $75 each, that's $1,500 a month. And it doesn't stop there. You can offer additional services like social media content bundles, newsletter drafts, or even ad copywriting. Pro tip: specialize in a niche, like tech or wellness, where businesses are willing to pay a premium for expertise. 2. Selling AI-powered digital products. Next on the list is selling AI-powered digital products. This is one of the most scalable ways to earn passive income because you create the product once and sell it over and over again. Here's what I did. I used Canva's AI tools to design a set of Instagram templates for small business owners. These were plug-and-play templates that they could customize with their own branding. I listed the templates on Etsy for $20, and within a week I made my first 5 sales, earning $100. But why stop at templates? You can create digital planners, ebooks, or even AI-generated art prints. Platforms like Midjourney allow you to create unique digital art pieces that you can sell on sites like Redbubble or Printify. For example, I designed a series of abstract art prints and uploaded them to Printify. Each print earned me about $5 in profit, and I made $300 in my first month. Pro tip: use Pinterest to drive traffic to your Etsy or Printify store. Create visually appealing pins that link directly to your products. Pinterest is like a search engine for shoppers, and it's a goldmine for digital product creators. 3. AI-powered virtual assistant services. If you're good at organizing and love helping people, this side hustle is for you. AI-powered virtual assistants is all about using tools like Otter.ai, Notion AI, and ChatGPT to handle admin tasks for small business owners. Here's an example. I offered virtual assistant services to a small e-commerce brand. Using Otter.ai, I transcribed their weekly team meetings and summarized the key points. With ChatGPT, I drafted 3 email newsletters in a fraction of the time it would take to write them manually. I charged $400 a month for 10 hours of work. Easy money. With just 3 clients, each paying $400 a month, you're already making 10 on 200s. And the best part? AI handles most of the grunt work, so your actual time commitment is minimal. Pro tip: look for clients in industries like real estate, online coaching, or e-commerce, where admin tasks are repetitive and time-consuming. 4. AI-driven social media management. Social media isn't just for influencers anymore. It's a critical part of any business's marketing strategy. And in 2025, AI has made social media management easier and more profitable than ever. Here's what I did. I signed up 2 small businesses as clients and offered a complete social media package. Using Canva, I designed eye-catching posts. With ChatGPT, I wrote captions and hashtags that aligned with their brand voice. Finally, I used Social Bee to schedule a month's worth of content in one sitting. Each client paid me $500 for this service. That's $1,000 for just 2 clients, and once the content is scheduled, you're essentially done for the month. Pro tip: offer an engagement package where you respond to comments and DMs for an extra fee. Businesses love this because it builds trust with their audience, and it's a service most freelancers don't offer. 5. Creating AI-powered chatbots. Build automated chatbots for small businesses to streamline their customer interactions. Each of these side hustles is scalable, beginner-friendly, and has the potential to bring in $1,000 or more every month. The key is to start small, focus on 1 or 2 ideas, and scale up as you gain experience. AI isn't just the future, it's the present, and it's making side hustles easier and more profitable than ever. Whether you're into writing, design, or automation, there's an AI-powered hustle waiting for you. Let me know in the comments which of these ideas you're most excited to try. And don't stop here. Check out this video on how to build wealth in 2025, or this one on the best passive income ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss tips to grow your income and work smarter. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet. See you in the next one.